riding Spirit Airlines again, and since I've been riding Spirit Airlines, I'm gonna give you tips and tricks on how to enjoy best and how to save from Spirit Airlines. And off we go! Of course, the first thing you do is book your airplane ticket. The best way to book an airplane ticket is through online. But if you want to save more money, and if it's easier for you, book in the airport and you'll save booking fee, aka usage fee. It could run from $12 to $20. The best thing to do is download the app, but if you're not that techy, might as well print the boarding pass early so you can save time. Oh, by the way, they don't charge for printing boarding pass. There are so many perks in downloading the app. First, you save the planet and the environment plus your time by not printing your boarding pass. Second, it's so easy to check in. Thirdly, upgrading seats, changing baggages, and also adding options is pretty easy. The next thing you should do is decide pretty early whether you're gonna have a personal bag, a carry-on, or a check-in baggage, because the prices tend to go up when you're near the flight. Oh, and also note that carry-on is more expensive than a check-in bag. Personal item is free. I kind of bring a bag that will fit underneath the chair. I also bring a fanny pack because it's easy to travel hands-free with a fanny pack. I also bring this water bottle that you can fold and refill water with. It's light and easy to travel with. In packing, I don't really use packing cubes anymore because when you pack in cubes, it tends to have more air in it, and more air in it means more space. Instead, I use a laundry bag. Also, don't pack your jacket inside the bag. Wear it or put it around your waist. I know it's kind of looking sus right now because I'm going through tunnels. It's because I want a pizza in Terminal 4. And I'd like to talk about food now. There's no actual meal in Spirit Airlines, so the best thing you should do is pack. It also saves you money. Decide early which seats you want to be in because the seats are limited and you want to book those seats. If not, don't be hasty and just wait for your seats. In choosing seats, choose the blue front seats if you're picky with your chairs. It's really comfortable. I have a video if you want to watch that. There are only 4 seats for the blue front seats, so make sure you book them ahead. Although it is quite cheaper to book the blue front seats when it's nearer the flight, but it's risky because there's only 4 seats. Clearly don't push your time because I'm the last person on board and they're about to close the gate. Just arrived here in Chicago Airport, and more tips here. I don't really care about express security. I just go early in the airport and then I work in the airport since they have free Wi-Fi. Obviously, I don't also care about the express boarding. Well, if you care for both of them, you just have to pay $6 to $8 for each of these express perks. After taking this in all account, make sure you're still paying for a budget airline. If you're paying more for it, might as well do a regular airline where you have better seat pitch, free snacks and beverages, free entertainment, etc. etc. Just check in inside the Chicago Airport Hotel. And if you want to check out our room with the view of the runway, very exciting, you have to tune in and subscribe. Anyways, with Spirit Airlines, I highly recommend it, especially if you're going to a direct flight. If you're going to a flight that has connection, it's kind of scary, but you know your time, and being inside Spirit Airlines is a-okay for me. It takes you from point A to point B. So that's it, and off I go.